Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. So let's jump into it. So it's a new year and I decided I'm going to be trying out more new stuff on my channel. So I finally got my hands on Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. I know, I am probably like the last YouTuber to get her hands on this foundation. Shade 420, and yeah, we're going to try that out today. I also picked up the Mattemoiselle lipstick by Fenty Beauty. And the shade I picked up is Madame, I believe it's called Madame. So yeah, Fenty Beauty, so exciting. I haven't tried this at all, so this is gonna be a first impression for me to try on, and you know, you're gonna see how it looks, how it wears, how, you know, just my first impression reaction pretty much. So before I begin, I just want to give a big shout out to my new subscribers. I'm so grateful for all of you and I love reading all your comments. So keep the comments coming, you know, keep the interactions coming. I am truly grateful. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before you head out and enter my giveaway. I am doing a giveaway for the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to put a link right here where you can enter the giveaway. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, you know. I love reading all your comments, you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. So here's the 420 foundation by Fenty, and I'm also gonna go on now and just open up this Mattemoiselle lipstick. And in case you're thinking of getting this lipstick, the packaging is adorable. But let me just show you in the palm of my hand the size. Like, it's pretty tiny. So the shade I picked up is Madame, like I said, and this is it. This is the lipstick right here. Yeah, I love how it has a Fenty Beauty embossed on the tip of the lipstick there. Today I'm going to be using this Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I hope it pairs well with it. Let us go in. So it says to shake, so shake. I hope 420 is my right shade. I really do, because so you know the funny thing, you know what I'm most excited about? You know what I'm most excited about doing? The drippity drop. All right, so let's go. Ooh. So I know from all the million videos out there that it dries fast, so we are just going to go in. Okay, that was okay. I think 420 is a good match. I'm gonna take this off. Okay. What do you guys think? I think that's a good match. Just gonna put two more pumps on my brush, and I'm gonna go on the other, oops, go for the other side. I want to see how it covers my acne scar right there. It does have a fragrance though. It has I keep smelling my brush. I can't tell how I feel about that fragrance. It kind of reminds me of, not baby powder, but it's like kind of perfume. I don't know. It's just well, if you're someone who doesn't like fragrance at all, I don't know, you might have a problem with this. All right, so that is it. How do I feel? It looks all right. I guess I was kind of expecting, you know, it covered my acne spot, but I can still see it a little bit. So just one more pump and work it here. See if I can cover that. So this is the foundation. I think it's drying down. I remember seeing reviews about it saying that it does dry down a little bit darker, but we'll see how that looks by the time we're done. And yeah, so I'm gonna do my eyes, something real simple, and then we'll carry on with the rest of the look. So I'm gonna be using the Shape Tape today, and I'm using the shades Tan Sand and Deep. So let's go in. To set, I'm gonna go in my Sacha Buttercup. And I'm just gonna use this Real Technique brush. I'm gonna bronze my face using the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer, the ebony bronzer, and I dropped it. So it's all shattered and broken on the inside. So I'm bummed. Alright, so I'm just gonna skip over and just do the rest of my face off camera so as not to take a long time. And then we'll come and put on the Mademoiselle lipstick. Okay. So just wiping up my lip balm. And we're gonna go in with the shade Madame. Okay, girl, let's see what you got, Riri. Trying to get a perfect swatch, so not easy. Okay. It's so small, like it's so it's so small. Oh boy. Okay. It's a matte, and it is not transfer proof. So yeah. So that is it. Madame. Madame. Hey girl, what you got on your lips right there? I got Madame on my lips. Does this lipstick make you want to go, hey ma, damn? And before I forget, hey, look who's here. We're gonna put on our La Peach today. Remember when I said I love this highlighter because of how you can do it? You can use it several ways. So if you kind of just pick it up and just push it on and just stamp it on right there, you see how pigmented it is? But then if you go in and just kind of press it in, or whatever method you do, I just kind of like to press it in. It then starts to like melt into the skin, which is why I love it. All right now. Glow, glow, glow to the gods. Glow, glow, glow to the gods. Whew. So my goal today is to check back with you guys to see how the foundation wears and how I like it. But I mean, it's Fenty. We'll see. So alright guys, so we are back. It time right now is 5:06 p.m. and yeah, I came back on to show you guys what the foundation looks like. So yes, as expected, my shine is already coming through. The oil is already peeking through. I'm sure you can see that. And these are the places, like I said, typically I do start to get oil production throughout the day. And that's why normally I like to, well, I don't do that every day, but I do like to go in with the powder method first, the translucent powder, or just setting powder first, and the areas I get oily before I go over with my foundation. But I did not do that today because I just wanted to see how the foundation wears on its own. I will say this though, I feel like this Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer makes me even more oily. I don't know if that's just me, if there's anyone out there who has the same experience with this primer. I have noticed that even when I used it with my Mary Kay primer, when I used it with my Mary Kay foundation, I did notice that I got a lot more oily than normal. So I will say that the extra shine we are getting is coming from this primer. So I am not very happy about that. I thought this primer would be awesome for me. I think the 420 matched me pretty well. I think it was a good match. Honestly, looking at the lights and everything, it doesn't look like it got darker. It doesn't look like it got darker on me. While applying this foundation, I was really taken aback by the fragrance. Because you see, the foundation I use on the regular is the Mary Kay foundation. I use my Mattemoiselle matte wear. I use the medium coverage, and our foundations don't have fragrance. So that is why this foundation really threw me off when I first put it on. Because I'm not used to fragrance and foundation. So yeah, it's a fragrance that takes a bit getting used to for me. I know a lot of people out there, it's not a problem for them, but for me, it threw me off that way. So that aside, I'm not saying this foundation is not good. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful foundation. It really is light. And yeah, it is truly lightweight. I do say light as air. It is light because another thing, when I put it on, you know, the feel and the look of the foundation also kind of threw me off too, because yeah, I don't know, it's just new to me. You know, but it is nice. My thoughts on this lippy is this: it's very comfortable. This is the same application I put on camera for you guys. I didn't retouch it, I didn't reapply. I have eaten, I have drank water, it's still there. So yeah, now we're just going to blot. And just blot and blot. So a little side note, I did go back and correct the eye makeup I did, because apparently my mascara had transferred onto my eyelids, and yeah, that was a little annoying to see later, but yeah, I corrected it, and I hope you guys just excuse that right there, okay? So comment down, tell me your thoughts on the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Tell me what you think about it, how it wears on you. If you got this foundation with the primer and you think that makes a whole lot of difference, let me know. If you use a different primer with it and you think, you know, it's fine, let me know, because honestly, I think that the Smashbox primer is a fail. Yeah. I'm interested to hear your thoughts on what your favorite mattifying primer is, so definitely leave a comment down below. I'll be looking forward to that. That'd be awesome. And yeah, so that is it, you guys. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.